How to use Disney Plus offline. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Welcome God is quick and easy on how you can use Disney Plus offline. Well, first question is can you watch Disney Plus offline? And thanks to radiotimes.com, I'm able to guide you through. Now, no internet, no problem. You can easily download and watch Disney Plus movies and shows offline. You can download all content from Disney Plus and watch it on the go, but only if you have got the right subscription plan here according to space. If you pay for the standard plan or premium plan from 7.99 euros a month, you can go download series, films, and shows to your heart's content. So you'll have to get the premium plan in order to be able to download it. If you have that particular plan, then you can proceed to open up Disney Plus, and there, along with the show that you wish to download, you should be able to get the option to download. However, remember you won't be able to download it to your device, but it'll be saved download onto the app. So whenever you are offline, you can head over to downloads directly without being connected to internet connection, and you can proceed to enjoy your show that you had downloaded or saved offline. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.